Hi guys, good morning. Today is November 7, 2025, the last day of founding anniversary of FLVCI Tuguegarao. 5:30 na ngayon ng morning and super aga ko nagising kasi I have so many errands to do. Magpapayos pa ako ng buhok and then call time namin for final games ng volleyball men is 7 a.m. So I need to be there kasi I think maglalaro pa ako for finals. And then after that, diretso na ako sa People's Gymnasium for the coronation of Mr. and Miss FLVCI 2025. Probably magiging mahigpit yung time namin dun sa backstage. So try kong kumuha ng mga clips if kaya ko. And I'll see you there. Bye!
College of Engineering.
How are you?
I'm feeling a little bit nervous, but I'm feeling ecstatic with the support that the staff shouting here and just being here. Thank you so much.
Okay, so here is your preliminary question. What's one thing you are most proud of about yourself? I repeat, what's one thing you are most proud of about yourself?
You know, everybody, during the last week, I have faced setbacks and drawbacks because of the roles that I am playing here. As the College of Engineering Governor, I'm used a publication member, the team leader of the volleyball event in the College of Engineering, and as an advocate, it really is hard for me to balance my time. But I am here tonight, showing you all that I have made it, and now I am here, showing you all that I am I'm more than capable of what I can. And now I am here one more step closer into chasing my dreams of becoming your next Mr. FLBCI. Thank you.
Last month has been very tough for me. I have to manage my time being a candidate, a publication member, team captain of the volleyball men, a governor, and as a student. It's been hard. I've faced different setbacks which almost made me give up on the things I've always wanted to do. However, with the support that my family, my friends, and the College of Engineering has been giving since day zero, it fueled the fire within me to fight for it. It's hard, really hard, but I believe that with self-discipline, determination, and love for what you're doing, giving up is never an option. During this journey, I've learned that not all people will support and believe in you. There will always be people who will try to knock you off to the ground. Truly that you can please everyone. However, there are also people who will support you and push you to fight because they see something in you that you yourself cannot. That's why I chose to rise and fight, not just for me and my dreams, but also for the people who supports and believed in my capabilities. To the College of Engineering, the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers FLVCI School Chapter, thank you so much for the warmest support. And to everyone who poured their all, shouting for us, you don't know how much you ignited the fire within me. Finally, the title has come back to the engineering. And one more thing, we have redeemed ourselves from being ranked last year to being champions this year. Your governor is so proud of you, COE.